The 2024 Beijing International Automotive Exhibition, or Beijing Auto Show 2024, put down its curtain on Saturday after a 10-day-long run across a vast exhibition area of 22,000 square meters, attracting more than 892,000 visitors to the event, including 28,000 international attendees from all over the world. The auto show witnessed 117 new vehicles making their debuts, with global premieres of up to 15 car models from international brands, which is a manifestation of the growing importance of Chinese customers and the country's huge market. So in this video, we will discuss the most insane cars at the world's largest car show 2024. Be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 15. Spyros Panopoulos Chaos. Spyros Panopoulos Automotive, based in Athens, Greece, unveils the Chaos, touted as the world's first ultracar. This high-performance vehicle boasts a twin-turbo 4.0-liter V10 engine, available in two versions: the Earth version with 2,049 horsepower, and the more powerful zero-gravity variant with 3,065 horsepower. Despite its large size, the use of materials like Xylon and titanium ensures a relatively light weight. The interior is equally advanced, with a minimalistic design incorporating augmented reality and biometric systems. Number 14. McLaren P1 LM. Not a production car, this is a street-legal version of the track-only McLaren P1 GTR. Converted by the British firm Land's End, who bought the original P1 built by McLaren, it was made keeping in mind a select group of buyers in the US, Japan, UK, and the UAE. This car has a lot in common with the P1 GTR and the legendary McLaren F1 road car. For example, the gold plating surrounding the engine bay with a 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8. It is much smarter than the P1 GTR. Number 13. Like in Hypersport, the headlights being made of earned 240 15-karat diamonds is the price very surprising. And then there are the LED blades made of 420 15-karat diamonds. And all the gems are customizable. Looking like an armored car with scissor doors and an interior straight out of the sci-fi movie, this featured in the Furious 7 and has actually been drafted by the Abu Dhabi police for patrol duty. Number 12. Aston Martin Valkyrie. While there has been no price announced for this car as of yet, expert estimates place it at around $3.2 million. Built under Andy Palmer, the new president of Aston Martin, committed to solvency and relevance with awesome cars, this model is a renovation of the old Aston Martin Red Bull AM RB001. Legend has it that Palmer agreed to this car over a drink with Red Racing's Adrian Newey and Christian Horner. Newey, renowned aerodynamicist behind Red Bull's expensive and award-winning sports cars in the Formula One tracks, devised an aerodynamic scheme specifically for this car that pushes air via the chassis, resulting in downforce without using the wings. Number 11. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio. Originally introduced as a concept car in 2013 in memory of a deceased son of the founder of Pininfarina, the legendary Italian design house, only 6 of these cars have been made yet, thus becoming one of the most coveted cars. This is one of the costliest Ferraris ever made and is based on the Ferrari 458 Spider. Each of the handmade units has an all-carbon fiber frame and is an open-air luxury car with 2 seats. Like the Ferrari 458, it has no roof, side windows, and windshield, and is 330 pounds lighter than its ancestor. Number 10. Bugatti Divo. The Bugatti Divo was built as a tribute to French racing driver Albert Divo, famous for his Targa Florio victories in a Bugatti during the 1920s. Limited to a production of just 40 units, the Divo stands out with a distinct aerodynamic profile fine-tuned for the track with an upgraded suspension and a significant weight reduction. Sold at approximately AED 21.3 million, $5.8 million, the Divo, lighter and more dynamic than the Chiron, has become one of the world's most sought-after and expensive cars, fetching nearly double its original value on the market. According to the exclusive car registry, 1/4 of all Divos are currently in Dubai. Number 9. Huayra Imola Roadster. The Pagani Imola Roadster recently emerged as a limited edition, track-focused variant of the Huayra Roadster, a project from the Pagani Grandi Complicazioni and a sibling to the Huayra Imola Coupe. Only 8 Imola Roadsters are planned. The name Imola comes from the famed Imola circuit in Bologna, Italy, where Pagani does most of its vehicle testing. Powered by the famous 6.0-liter Mercedes AMG V12 engine, it puts out 838 horsepower, 118 more than the standard Huayra and 11 more than its coupe counterpart. The 7-speed sequential transmission contributes to its lightweight profile, with a mere 1260 of dry weight. Number 8. Pagani Codalunga. Back in 2018, two Pagani collectors came with a request to Horacio Pagani, asking him to make a long-tail version of the Pagani Huayra, inspired by Le Mans race cars from the 60s. Born from this collaboration was the Pagani Codalunga, Italian for long tail. Only 5 tailor-made units were produced, each already sold out before launching to the public. This exclusive hypercar was a creation of the Pagani Grandi Complicazioni, a special division for one-off Pagani projects. Number 7. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero. As far as hype for concept cars goes, the Mercedes-Maybach Exelero is one of the few concept cars that is still searched and talked about even to this day. Even though it made its debut in 2005, the car has consistently made it on the top 10 list of most expensive cars in the world for the last 19 years straight. Commissioned by Fulda, a Goodyear subsidiary, Exelero is a bespoke, one-of-one fully functional concept car made to test the performance of their Carrot Exelero tires. The car's design was a modern interpretation of the Maybach Southwest 38 combined with the Maybach 57 platform. Number 6. Bugatti Centodieci. The Bugatti Centodieci, Italian for 110, is a beautiful super-limited hypercar paying homage to the iconic Bugatti EB 110 and celebrating the brand's 110th birthday. First shown in 2019 at the Quail, the Centodieci is 20 kilograms lighter and more powerful than the Chiron. Limited to only 10 units priced at AED $33.9 million a pop. It stood proud as one of the most expensive cars in the world. Drawing design inspiration from the EB 110, the Centodieci boasts 5 diamond-shaped air intakes and a wedge-shaped profile accentuated by a horseshoe-radiator grille below the headlamps. Number 5. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail marked the beginning of the Rolls-Royce coach build program. It is a bespoke, one-of-one two-seat Grand Touring coupe, born from a special client's passion for early 20th century cars and classic modern yachts. Based on the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the Sweptail was hand-built to perfection and took 4 years to complete. Inspired by coach building of the 1920s and 1930s, Rolls-Royce refined and crafted the Sweptail with a sleek tapering, gracefully falling waist rail, flowing roofline, and a distinctive swept tail. Number 4. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, French for the black car, is a unique one-off hypercar paying tribute to Jean Bugatti's long-lost Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic. With only 4 of the latter ever made, 3 were sold and 1, an all-black version, was retained by Jean Bugatti. The car disappeared during World War II, and the whereabouts of the car have been a mystery for over 80 years. The La Voiture Noire blends speed, luxury, and automotive haute couture, paying homage to Jean's lost Type 57 SC Atlantic. Number 3. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. Built as a tribute to the legendary Pagani Zonda, the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is more than a car. It is a manifestation of Renaissance and science concepts that have always been integral to Pagani's design philosophy. Tailor-made for Horacio Pagani himself, this bespoke work of art infuses modern technology with exquisite hand craftsmanship into the Zonda project, marking the end of its 18-year-long production. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Bowtail. The Rolls-Royce Bowtail is a Grand Tourer hand-built by Rolls-Royce for 3 of their closest clients, stands among the most expensive cars in the world, and is the second car from Rolls-Royce's coach build program. The Bowtail drew inspiration from 1920s and 1930s yachts. Its nautical design pays homage to graceful J-class yachts and a meticulously restored 1932 Rolls-Royce Bowtail from the owner's collection. Number 1. Rose Noir Droptail. The La Rose Noir Droptail, French for the Black Rose, a bespoke 2-seat roadster by Rolls-Royce, is a symbol of opulence and intricate craftsmanship. The Droptail is the 3rd car launched under Rolls-Royce's coach build program. Inspired by the black Baccarat Rose, renowned for its intense, velvet-like appearance, it holds the current title of the world's most expensive car. Limited to just 4 units, each Droptail is uniquely named and specified. The La Rose Noir is the first delivered Droptail and took over 4 years to complete. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.